Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered where all your money went? It's easy to overspend without even realizing it, especially when certain purchases seem like no big deal at the time. But these small habits can add up quickly and leave you struggling to save. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 8 things you should stop buying if you want to save more money and keep your finances in check. Whether you're a seasoned spender or someone just starting to take control of their budget, these tips will help you make smarter choices and stop wasting money on things you don't need. Ready to start saving? Let's dive in. 1. Don't buy extended warranties. We've all been there. You walk into an electronics store and right before you check out, the cashier asks if you'd like to purchase an extended warranty for your new gadget. It's tempting because it feels like a safety net, but in reality, most extended warranties are unnecessary. Did you know that more than 50% of extended warranties on products like electronics are never used? Many people buy warranties for peace of mind, but often they end up not needing them. The truth is, most electronics come with manufacturer warranties, and if something goes wrong, you're likely covered for at least a year. If the product breaks after that, it's often cheaper to repair it or replace it than to pay for a long-term warranty. Instead of spending money on an extended warranty, put that money into an emergency fund. This way, you're prepared for any unexpected costs in the future without the hassle of tracking warranty details. A well-stocked emergency fund can protect you from having to dip into credit for a broken item or even bigger financial troubles down the road. The key is to become more aware of what you're really paying for and whether it's truly necessary. 2. Don't buy new cars. Imagine buying a brand new car and driving it off the lot. It looks shiny, fresh, and feels great, right? But did you know a new car loses up to 20% of its value in the first year alone? That's a huge hit. In fact, a car's depreciation rate in the first 5 years can exceed 60% of its original value. This is one of the biggest reasons why buying new cars is a bad financial move, especially when you're trying to save money. Many people don't realize just how much value a car loses after you drive it off the lot. In most cases, you can find gently used cars that are just as reliable, but far cheaper. Instead of splurging on a new car, look for a used one that's been well maintained. Buying a car that's only a few years old allows you to skip the steep depreciation drop while still getting a vehicle that runs great. If you're hesitant about buying used, many dealerships offer certified pre-owned options that come with warranties and inspections. Additionally, spending less on a car means you'll have more room in your budget for savings or other investments, helping you build wealth in the long term. 3. Don't buy penny stocks. The allure of penny stocks can be irresistible. The low price tag makes them seem like a risk-free investment that could turn into a gold mine. But the reality is, penny stocks are highly speculative and risky. They're usually issued by companies with little to no track record, which makes them incredibly volatile. Penny stocks can easily lose value overnight, leaving you with nothing. Instead of risking your money on penny stocks, focus on building a diversified investment portfolio. Diversifying your investments helps to spread out the risk and allows your money to grow more steadily over time. If you're new to investing, start with index funds or mutual funds, which provide exposure to a wide range of stocks and bonds. This way, you're not betting everything on one risky stock. The key is to focus on long-term, stable investments rather than the quick gains that penny stocks promise. 4. Don't eat out regularly. We've all had those days when we're too tired to cook, and eating out feels like the easiest option. But eating out regularly can seriously drain your finances. On average, a meal at a restaurant can cost 3 to 4 times more than cooking the same dish at home. If you're eating out a few times a week, that adds up quickly. Instead of going out for meals, start meal prepping and cooking at home. Meal planning not only saves money, but it also allows you to control what goes into your food. By shopping for ingredients in bulk, you can save even more. Additionally, you can freeze leftovers, which means you're cooking once but eating multiple times. And if you really crave dining out, set a monthly dining budget and stick to it so you can still enjoy your meals without overspending. Over time, you'll be surprised at how much money you can save by simply cooking at home and reducing the frequency of dining out. 5. Don't buy expensive gifts. Gift giving is a lovely way to show appreciation, but expensive gifts can put a strain on your wallet. Studies show that people spend an average of $1,000 on gifts during the holiday season, and often that's money they don't have. Instead of splurging on a luxurious gift, focus on thoughtful, meaningful gestures. Handmade gifts or personalized items can be just as impactful, and they don't require a high price tag. You could also consider experiences over material items, like a day out, a concert, or even making a homemade meal. If you're buying gifts for family or friends, consider setting a gift exchange limit to keep things manageable. And if you're still worried about the expense, plan ahead and spread out your gift purchases throughout the year, rather than trying to buy everything last minute. The value of a gift is in the thought behind it, not the price tag. 6. Skip hotels if you can. Traveling often means staying in hotels, but hotels are one of the most expensive parts of a trip. While it's nice to have all the amenities, there are other ways to save money. Platforms like Airbnb offer a wide range of affordable accommodation options that can help you save money. Consider hostels or vacation rentals, especially if you're traveling with a group or for a longer stay. If you're willing to share a space or sleep in a more budget-friendly setting, you can cut your travel costs dramatically. If you're traveling locally, look into house-sitting opportunities where you can stay in someone's home for free in exchange for taking care of their property. And if you're feeling really adventurous, camping is another inexpensive option for accommodations. By avoiding hotels, you'll be able to allocate your travel budget for more exciting experiences, whether it's a fun activity or an amazing meal. 7. Limit passion purchases if you can. We all have passions, whether it's fashion, tech gadgets, or hobbies. But when your passions become a reason to spend too much, they can seriously hurt your financial health. Buying things just because you love them can quickly lead to overspending. Instead of buying every new gadget or fashion item that catches your eye, take a step back and ask yourself if it's something you really need or if it's just a temporary desire. If your passion purchases are eating away at your savings, set a budget for these purchases. You can also consider second-hand options or renting items instead of buying them outright. For example, if you love photography but don't need to own the latest camera, you can rent equipment for specific shoots. This way, you can still enjoy your passions without overextending your finances. 8. Don't overspend on subscriptions. Subscriptions are an easy way to keep spending without realizing it. Streaming services, magazine subscriptions, and gym memberships can add up quickly, and before you know it, you're paying for things you don't use. On average, people spend about $240 a year on subscriptions they don't use regularly. Review all your active subscriptions and ask yourself if you really need them. Are you still watching Netflix as often as you did a year ago? Do you actually use that meal kit service, or is it just sitting in your kitchen? By canceling unused subscriptions, you could free up a significant amount of money. Consider consolidating services like switching to a shared family plan for streaming services or downgrading your gym membership to a less expensive option. And don't forget to check for student or senior discounts, as many services offer them. Instead of letting those subscriptions eat away at your bank account, use the money to save or invest. And there you have it, 8 things you should stop buying if you want to save money. By cutting back on these unnecessary expenses, you'll find yourself with more money to save, invest, or spend on things that truly matter. Remember, the small changes you make today can lead to big financial freedom in the future. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more money-saving tips, and share this video with someone who could use a little extra help with their finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.